If you're watching this video, you've most likely heard or seen people make money online through Forex trading. And you should ask yourself, what is this Forex trading really? What is it all about? How can I get involved? Now, if this is you, grab your notes and your pen. Let's get educated. So you've probably gone to Google to search what is Forex trading or how do you get started with Forex trading, and you basically see things like Forex trading is the buying and selling of currencies to make money. But you know deep down that information doesn't make you a forex trader in any way. That information doesn't even help you make money in the trading space. So you're still in confusion and you still don't know how to get started. Let me take you to how forex trading started. So it says here the first forex market was created in Amsterdam about 500 years ago. So forex is not new. The ability to trade currencies freely contributed to the stabilization of currency exchange rates. Forex trades were introduced all over the world from Amsterdam. So forex started in Amsterdam about 500 years ago. So calculate 500 years ago compared to when you heard about forex trading. I basically showed you that just to let you understand that this forex thing you're hearing now is not new. So how was forex traded then? Because you're seeing we now we're on our phones and all of that kind of things, and you're like, so back then what was the game? So back then these guys had brokers just like we have brokers now, and back in the days they used to, you literally have to call or write a mail to your broker. Let's say when there was no phone, you have to write a mail to your broker and tell them that you want to be shorting the S&P 500, or you want to be shorting euro USD, or you want to be shorting pound dollar and stuff like that. And then what I think is back then, I don't think there were scalp trades because of the time to pass this information to your liquidity providers or the brokers right now was an issue. You get. So why forex trading now became more pronounced and more popular and every youngin wants to get into it is because of how we trade it today. So how do we trade forex today? Today we trade forex electronically over the counter basically. That's just on our phones, and we have mobile apps these days that help us read market information. Back in the days, I think they used to have Bloomberg. Even before Bloomberg, I think they used to have news. The newspapers were giving information on prices and all of that, fundamentals as well. So technology has really boosted and improved the forex market in general. So these apps facilitates our trading, makes everything faster for us. We see a position now, we want to get into it now. Like currently my charts are opened and I'm looking to get in a trade, but the market is just messy. So I decided to make this video for you guys. So let's get to the main reason why you're watching this video. You're watching this video because you want to know how to get started. So let's start from the apps we use to trade. Okay, we have three basic apps that would be needed for the start. Okay, three basic apps. It could be four if your broker has an application. Like my broker has an app. I'll leave the link down below. But if your broker doesn't have an app, then you can just use the web version. But three basic apps, we have the MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and the Trading View. Mind you, all of these are mobile apps and they could also have the PC version. So there's a Trading View. Right now I'm trading on my computer and I'm having my Trading View here. But if you want to trade on your phone, you don't have a laptop, it's completely fine. There's no barrier, no limitation at all. Everybody should be trading. Everybody get on board. Okay, so you probably heard me say brokers and you don't know what this broker thing is. As normal people we are, like normal people, your normal life now, you have the bank. So let's put out OPay and the CUDA, let's put that aside. Let's go back to like 2015. Deposit your money in the bank, isn't it? And if you want to make business transactions, you facilitate those transactions, or the bank helps you facilitate those transactions. So you want to buy something, you sell, you want to buy something from somebody to sell in your business or your shop or your store or whatever. You basically make transfer to the person, right? And the person confirms the payments. Now the bank, the brokers are our bank. Yeah, the Forex bank. Basically, they connect us to the market and help us apply our funds in the market. When I say or you say you want to buy the pound dollar, you want to buy the pound versus the dollar, they basically say, okay, how many lot size or in how many quantities do you want this now? And then you stipulate all that information and say go ahead, provided you have that money in your trading account, provided you have the amount of money, they tag you into that transaction, right? And you're in the trade. That's the same thing as your normal thing, your normal banking. It's almost the same thing that brokers do. It's just that the brokers are a little bit more refined. But this is just what brokers are. Brokers help you provide liquidity. Brokers, when I say liquidity here, access the market, okay? They grant you access to the market and they aid you facilitate your trading transactions. As simple as that. You cannot trade on your own because you just have your money. Where is it brewed change? No. So you need these institutions. Brokers are financial institutions, okay, that aid us, facilitates placing our trades and closing our orders and all of that. Forex education. This is like the basic thing that you need to know before you start trading, or that makes you get started with trading. Forex education encompasses basic elements. So you have a strategy, you have risk management, you have psychology, and then the rest is like terminologies to make you feel like a forex trader. You get me? All right. So let's go. What's a strategy you'd say? Let me bring this to real life for you, so we make it very, very understandable. Let's say you're in a game, and the game is bottle flip. So the bottle flip game is just you picking a bottle and flipping, right? Whoever has the highest number of flips wins the game. Imagine I tell you that there's a way in which you're going to hold down your bottle to flip it, that you are most likely going to hit more wins than misses. It's fascinating, right? Good. That's what a forex trading strategy is. It's just a way through which you approach the market in such a way that makes you have an edge over someone who has no strategy, or someone who has no system, who is just solely operating on probability, right? So now you could be wondering, how do you get to know the strategy? How do you develop the strategy? In this particular video, I'm not going to say or dwell on any strategy. I'll link a video, or I'll drop a card somewhere around the video up here, one of these two places, right? So in that link, you'd see exactly my strategy, okay? And also I'll still make subsequent easier strategies for you. Right after this video, I'm going to make an easier strategy video for you guys, okay? 100% beginner friendly, because I mean, forex is a large industry. We have $6.6 trillion that move every day. So why can't you come in and join the league? Why not? Come on. It's something that can make you money anywhere, anytime, 24 hours in 5 days. The market is open, right? So risk management is the next thing. Risk management basically is you enabling yourself with certain calculations that make you lose small when you lose and win big when you win. Okay, risk management is you understanding that and having full knowledge on how much you want to be putting on a trade versus the market deciding for you. When you don't have a risk management strategy, you're basically saying anything the market gives me, I take. Any amount they want to take from me, go ahead and take. I'm fine with that. And that way, nobody has made it in the business. Okay, risk management is something else. I also have a video on risk management up here. So psychology is the next thing. Psychology is your mindset. Okay. Now, why forex? You've probably heard people say forex is hard, and I'm making it sound like it's simple. It is actually not so simple, but it's not as hard as people say because of these things I'm saying. Psychology is you having the right mindset towards trading. If you studied psychology in school, or you've had any kind of encounter with a psychologist, you'll notice something about them. They're very flexible in mind. That's the same type of thing the trader needs to understand. Now, you need to be able to understand this is kind of mindset I need to employ once I'm in this trading space. You need to be rigid, you need to be firm, and you need to be emotionless. Zero emotions. It's difficult because of you're having your hard-earned money on the line. You could lose, you could make money. That's why risk management is important, because risk management, now you know that okay, I have $100, I have $200, but on this particular trade, I just want to risk in $5 of that my $100, or $10 of my $200, or $100, whichever one, to make about 30 or 40, right? You know. So now when you know that this is how much you want to risk, guess what? You'll not be too bothered, because you know, okay, if it goes bad, I'll just be risking on $10, or I'll be losing $5, whichever the case may be. That's what it is basically. So let's go into forex technologies, the thing that makes you feel like an alpha trader, the thing that makes you feel like a big boy. Okay, the terms that make you feel like you know what you're doing. Okay, so let's go. The first one is pips. Okay, pips are, let me give you real life example. I don't know. I like to use real life examples because these real life examples help me understand many terminologies easier, faster, and better. Okay, so let's say as in a normal life, if you move your leg from where it is now to a forward or backward state, you move what? One step. If the market is at 0.001 and it moved one step ahead and it becomes 0.002, the market just moved one pip. The market is at 1.11, 1.1112. You can notice I'm counting my fingers. We'll do that in another video. I'll make you understand how we do this counting thing. Okay, if the market is at 1.11, that's why you have to subscribe so that you would not miss that video when it comes. So the market is at 1.1112 and it moves to 1.1113. Okay, the market has moved another pip. So if you move from 1.1112 to 1.1114, it has moved 2 pips. So like one step of the market, every single step the market takes is called a pip. Like one move forward, one move backward. So if you move forward, you move forward 1 pip. If you move backward, you move backward minus 1 pip or minus 2 pips. Okay, you probably heard pips, pips, pips. You can just quickly go pick your Google and type what pips are, and you get a detailed explanation. But this is just me giving you in a realistic explanation. The lot size is. You remember when I was saying something about you telling them how much your broker will say how much of pound or how much of dollar do you want to buy. Lot size is like a multiplier effect in the sense that, okay, let's say you have $10 to lose to put in a trade. Now, you want to know how many units of a particular product you want to buy. How many units of a particular product is equivalent to your $10? Let me go again. Let's say, let me get my AirPod. Let's say you want to buy this JBL AirPod now. Okay, let's say you want to buy this JBL AirPod. Let's say you want to get this JBL AirPod, and it goes for let's say $50. It goes for $50. But I can tell you that in forex trading, now let's say this is the whole forex market. But in forex trading, you could actually buy just one. Sorry about that. So I've ruined my AirPod for this video. Okay, it's okay. It's calm. It's calm. Let's use the other ear. So you want to actually make use of. You want to actually buy just one. You don't have the money for the two. You just have one, or you just want to even buy the what's it called now? This rubber thing that stays in the ear, and then they tell you, oh, you can just buy. Let me fix this together. You guys will buy me a new AirPod though. Where I'm teaching forex. Alright, you just have to purchase a new one. It's okay. Now money can. Alright. So you just want to buy like a unit, a single unit of it. You know that okay, this is what it takes. This is how much. This is how many lot size it takes for you to buy that amount that will give you $10 exactly. You get me? Because your lot size comes in. That's why risk management. That's why I brought this in sequentially. Risk management is you knowing, okay, this is how much I want to lose. I understand your lot size is your lot size tells you, okay, you tell your broker, I want to buy 2 contracts of so and so market, so and so pair of so and so currency. I want to buy 2 lot size. I want to buy so and so size, and you type in the lot size. Because you know, okay, this lot size is currently equivalent. It's a mathematical calculation, very simple mathematical calculation behind it. So you know what lot size you use. The market price is current price, where market, how much is dollar selling to naira now? How much is dollar selling to pound now? That's market price. Then you have bid and ask price. Bid and ask price. If you open any markets, right, you'd see 2 lines. You see 2 lines, one above, one on top, one below, right? So what those 2 lines are is the bid and the ask. If bid is where maybe majorly where buyers are wanting to take the market to, where the market makers are want to take the market to, and the ask price is the current price where it is. You get, so market actually operates at the ask price, but the bid price is where people want to buy from, where people want the market price to get to. So it fluctuates, just like something is selling for $1,000,000 or $1,000, and you're bidding that you want to get it for 900 or 950. So it's something very simple. It's not something that affects your trading at all. Orders and positions. Order basically is a position that is not yet closed. whatever position you are in the market, orders or positions, they are basically the same thing. A position is that position you are, like I'm in a sell position, right? You just heard me say position when I was explaining order. They are together. I have a sell order, I have a buy position. An order, just like when you order for something, you're like, okay, I ordered for a phone, it's coming in so and so days. I ordered a new car, it's coming in so and so days. I have a buy order on Euro USD, I have a buy order on GB USD, I have a buy order on Nasdaq. Okay, an order is just that point at which you bought, sold something. All right, then the position is similar to the trade itself. Okay, I'm in a sell position, still the same thing. If you don't understand what I'm saying, go and check Google. No stress. Then placing a trade and opening a broker and logging MT5. Okay, so basically you come to xness.com, and for you who is a newbie who is coming into the first time, you're going to be clicking on register. So if you do register, you let it boot. So you see create an account. So your country of residence, you put in Nigeria or wherever it is you're from. Type in your email address, set your password, follow the prompt here, and I declare and confirm that I am not a citizen or resident of the US for tax purposes. I think they don't accept US clients. Yeah, I don't know. This is a new thing in the industry now. But I mean, if you're a US client, comment below. I'll tell you a broker you could use to access the markets. Okay. For me, I'll be doing signing. Okay, I'll be doing signing. Okay, on my sign in, you can see that my details are already here, and I'll just continue. So let's go to the demo account. I currently don't have any demo accounts with them, really. Okay, I think they have this new thing that when you don't have a demo account, or you don't have or you've not used an account for a while, they would blow it out. Okay, so if you're starting out, you should open a demo account. So you're going to actually have to verify. Okay, the verification is just KYC, your passports, no, Nigerian NIN, passport, driver's license, or whatever. But I think now it's easier because right now all you need is just sign up. Okay, I think it's when you're doing any transaction above $1,000 that you need passport and all of that. Okay, so you hit standard, except you want to try what a pro and a raw spread account is, but if you're coming in and you have below 500 US dollars, so you should be using the standard. If you have above 500 US dollars, then you should be using the pro and raw spread. So everybody that's coming in definitely don't have a lot of money like that. Okay, so your leverage is a demo account. Remember, it's a demo account. You're doing your max leverage 1:2,000. Yeah, 1:2,000 is okay. You can use any other leverage you want to use. Did I say what leverage is in this video? Leverage is basically buying power you have, okay? Meaning if you have using a 1:2,000 leverage, you're multiplying how much you have with by 2,000, so you could buy more than what your money is or how much you have in capital and still be fine. If you make money, good. If you lose money, fine. All right, so your starting balance, you could do 500 as they provided. You can make it whatever amount you know that you want to be starting your trading with. If you know you want to start your trading with $50, use $50. Let's leave that 500. Currency, US dollars, most preferably. Nickname, trading, let's say Forex trading. I don't know now. Forex trading video. Forex trading video. And a password. I think I'll just use my normal password now. Yeah, use my normal password. Okay, let me just type in a new password for the account. Okay, so you just have to create any password that has all of that, and we are in. So they said fund your trading accounts to start trading. So let's do set balance. If $500 is okay, so we just set it. So right now we have 500 US dollars on this one to trade. So we're going to hop into, why is it now 1000? Come on. Okay, we have it as 1000. I think it was just a little glitch. All right, so I have $1,000 there. So we're going to hop into the MetaTrader app I spoke about earlier on, and let's see what we have there. Okay, so if you look here, we have MetaTrader 5, MT5 here. Okay, I mean here, right here, MT5. So meaning that the account or the app we're going to be using is going to be MetaTrader 5, the one right here. Okay, MetaTrader 5. So we're going to go right into settings. I'll click a new account. I'm going to be blurring all these accounts. Going to be clicking a new account, and then we'll use Xness. They say enter company or server name. Okay, for company or server name, we're going to be having to check the details here. So you come to this three dot icon right here and look for account information somewhere. Yeah, this is account information. So look at this server here. Is a server that we're asking, that they're asking us to type enter company name or server. So it's xness mt5 trial 9. Okay, so we're going to just type that in here on our mt5 xness mt5 trial 9 hyphen mt5 mt5. Okay, xness technologies mt5 trial 9 it is. So we're going to scroll through and have the trial 9. So enter the login. Where's the login now? Okay, so we have the mt5 login right here. So you guys who are watching this video can literally log into these accounts, but I'm going to deactivate the accounts later on. So for the login, you have 15, come on, 1539893 89324. Okay, the password that we created earlier, I'm blurring that out as well. You guys can't even log in because you didn't see the password. So after typing the password, save password, and you click on done, and the account should be here. All right, so placing your first trade is what the issue is now. So you're going to have a bunch of all these pairs and markets you know nothing about. Personally, I'll just say you should search for something better. So let's say pound dollar, GBPUSD. That's the British pound US dollar. And let's add that. Okay. Click on this edit button and delete all these other ones are here. Delete. All right, and then we have just GBP US dollars to trade. So placing your first trade, you should look at the charts. Okay, and this is what the chart is like. So let me just do anything random. Actually, I'm not analyzing. I don't trade GBP USD, so let's just do anything random. So this thing here is your lot size. Okay, let me go to the trade section so you can understand. All right, good. So this plus icon here, this plus icon here is the trade section. You can see that our $1,000 active history, $500 was deposited. That was the glitch, and we're adding a trade now. Okay, so you would see stop loss, take profit. I'm going to do a different video for all of that. Stop loss is where you want to take your loss. Take profit is where you want to take your profit. Okay, so this 0.11 you're seeing here is the lot size I was talking about. So let's just use a standard one lot and buy, and that is it. Our trade is active, so we're currently in a loss here, and this is our trade. Okay, and now you ask me, how do you close a trade? I just showed you how to enter a trade. How to close a trade, there are so many ways, but one way I'll just show you is click on this. If you're using an Android, you're going to be swiping. Okay, if you're using an Android, you're going to be swiping to the right. Okay, but if you're using an iPhone, you could just click on one touch and then you could close it. So if I long press it, I'll see close position right here, and then you see close whatever hash 65 blah 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 with profits, and then I close, and I think we didn't make any money in the trade. Yeah. So let's go over that process again. You add one lot size, or this time let's go lower. Let's go higher, say 2 lots. Okay, and we buy. That's how to place your first trade, and we're already in the loss. Okay, you can see. So if we want to close out our trade, we basically do what? Long press it, close position. So you see where they say close market with loss minus 30, minus 26, whatever. That is what we'll be clicking. And mind you, below here, they said, attention, the trade will be executed at market conditions. Difference with requested price may be significant, meaning that spread thing I was talking about. Okay, see that thing I was talking about on spreads is what they are trying to emphasize here. So we closed the gain, and somehow we made just $2. Okay, we made just $2 on this one. So this is no zero analysis, please. This is not how to trade. I'm just show you how to place a trade or how to place an order. So when I was talking about order, this thing you're seeing here was an order. Okay, once I come in here and I buy, okay, let's just do this from here now. And I buy one lot and I buy, right? Accept, I accept. If I buy from here now, okay, it is an order. I just have a buy order. You can see that my buy position is placed in here. I have a buy order. And if I sell from here too as well, I have a sell order. So right now I have a buy and a sell at the same time on GBP USD. Okay, I have a buy and a sell on GBP USD. So let's close one in profit. Let's close position in profit. Okay, and then we have this other one in loss. So we're going to be closing as well. Close position with loss. Yeah, and that is it about place your fair trade. So you can see that today we're actually taking like 3 trades already. This is not how to trade. This is how to place a trade, mind you. If you want to learn when and how to trade, you'd have to check other videos I have.
Aside MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5, you have TradingView. With TradingView, you could do a whole lot more things. You can move through time frames like I just did. You also have various tools at your disposal. You have like the rectangle tool, which I'm just using here. You could draw horizontal lines, you could draw vertical lines, you could mark out as many things as you want to. There's no limit when you have TradingView compared to the MetaTrader 4. You could draw your sell position to see your risk to reward and your stop loss figures, just like you're seeing me do here right now. You also could select multiple items and delete. You have a list of tools, a list of lines, and so many other things. You could even measure how many hours or days it took to for a particular price action. So there are many other things you can do with TradingView.
Now we have something very, very important. Two things very important. This is a demo account. This is not real money. Okay, none of this is real money. You can clearly see here it's written demo. All right, it's written demo. Now, how do you really get money to trade when you're coming into trading and you don't have any money? We have prop firms. Okay, prop firms are here to help you make money. The prop firm I personally use is Funded Next. And see my dashboard over here, fundednext.accounts.com. I'll be going to a clean slate and show you what it looks like when you come in. You see Funded Next is loading there, but let me just go to a clean slate and show you Funded Next. I'll be dropping their link in the description, so just in case you want to sign up, you can sign up with them. Okay, so yeah, they have my logins already, and we'll be logging in. They have successfully logged in, as you can see. Let's go to their challenges. This is under accounts. I know this is not the accounts I would want you guys. So I want to go home. Okay, so you can see here that they have different offers. So they offer to give you a $6,000 account, a $15,000, $25,000, all the way up to $200,000. If I click on $200,000, to get a $200,000 account, you just need to pay $999. Okay, if you don't have that money, you could just go for the little one, $6,000, and you get $59 to pay for, and you have this account to trade. There are rules that they have, but then those rules, if you know how to trade, you can go ahead and ace those rules and get $6,000. If you're Nigerian, you know what $6,000 can do for you in your trading capital. Now, this $6,000, they're not going to give it to you in cash. They're going to give it to you in the form of a trading account, and any profits you make on top is your money. Okay, I think you have a profit split with them whereby they take a small percentage and you take the bigger percentage. I think it's like 80% is yours and 20 is theirs, and that's very okay. Okay, and then but I won't really advise any of you to go into trading a prop firm account right now because you need to have your trading fixed. Okay, this is because you can't make money without knowing what you're doing. And that's why I advise you have a mentor. Okay, it's very important to get mentorship. Mentorship cannot be overemphasized, right? You need to know what you're doing, and the only way you can know what you're doing is be with someone who knows what they're doing. And if you don't have enemies of getting a mentor, if you don't know any mentor to meet, leave the comments below or send me a Telegram message. I'm going to be leaving my Telegram handle in the comments or my Telegram channel in the comments. Drop my Telegram. I drop my free trades there. I drop my trade ideas. I drop my trade markups. So do well to check out other videos on the channel. Click the subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and then you'll be notified whenever I drop any other video.